Welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking on the Blackstone. We got black bean tofu burgers, zucchini, and roasted potatoes. Let's get started. First thing we got to do is go in the kitchen and prep the ingredients. Let's get started by portioning our ingredients. We need egg replacer, water, soy sauce, black beans, white mushrooms, tomato paste, garlic powder, smoked paprika, nutritional yeast, salt, rolled oats, and avocado oil. First, press the tofu block before cutting it in half. Check out my video on how to press tofu. It will be linked in the description below. Cook the black beans, soy sauce, tofu, and mushrooms in a pan to release the excess liquid. Let the mixture cool down. Meanwhile, mix 1 tablespoon of the egg replacer with 2 tablespoons of water until it's smooth. Transfer the bean, mushroom, tofu mixture oats, nutritional yeast, paprika, garlic powder, tomato paste, salt, the egg replacer with water, and the avocado oil to the food processor. Puree the mixture until it becomes thick. Open the lid, push the mixture on the sides downward, and blend for another 30 seconds. I prefer to use a silicone burger mold as it's less messy and quicker to form burgers. Fill the mold with the mixture and spread it out evenly with a spatula. This mold makes 7 perfect sized burgers. Put the lid on and flip the mold to set the burgers. Now let's prep the sides: red potatoes and yellow and green zucchini. Cut both ends of the zucchini and chop them into slices. Put the zucchini slices into a bowl. Add your favorite spice blend and a few spritz of avocado oil. Grab the red potatoes and cut them into quarters. Put the potatoes in a bowl, then add your favorite spice blend and a few spritz of avocado oil. Preheat the Blackstone to 350-375 degrees Fahrenheit. I usually keep the dials on low and use my digital thermometer to monitor the temperature. I have all the ingredients ready to go on my cart. Spray some oil and add the potatoes to the flat top. Spread them out. This will take the longest, so they go on first for a good 10 minutes. I like to brown the potatoes on each flat side. Next, add the zucchini to the center area of the grill. Lay the zucchini flat and cook them lightly on each side. Squirt water onto the potatoes and cover them with a dome to cook faster. Move the zucchini to the front where the temperature is lower. Now add the burgers to the back of the grill. In 5 minutes, flip the burgers, then lift the dome and mix the potatoes. Use a fork to test if they're fully cooked. They may still need a few more minutes. Remove the zucchini from the grill and cover them with foil. Put the dome over the burgers for 5 minutes to fully cook them. The burgers are done, but the potatoes still need a few more minutes. Time to dress the burger with mayo, lettuce, tomatoes, and a gluten-free bun. Now it's time to taste these yummy burgers. They were so delicious with all the fixings. I hope you try this recipe. It's super easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more vegan Blackstone recipes. Check the description for a link to the burger recipe on my website.